we're seeking to achieve is basically to modernise the service and to make it more accessible and convenient to the people who want to make payments into the courts. And we seek to do this through a number of different channels, using where we can electronic payment methods, which enable us to take more payments outside the courts and therefore relieve the burden of taking payments from court staff. And also by taking electronic payments, we can then automate the processes of putting those into our accounts. We've worked very proactively with BT Eckoh. They had some experience of our business before because they have implemented schemes on a local basis with some of our courts. Therefore, when we started working with Eckoh, we knew there would be the right people with the right experience. And for us, this is very important because the ability to understand the type of clientele we're dealing with and the environment in which they'll be making payments from. They primarily don't want to be making payments in the courts very often. We found that the importance of getting the right script to facilitate and to maximise the chance of completing the transactions was very important, and BT Eckoh had that experience. It's been one of the key solutions which really has improved the calibre, the quality of the service, and made it an up-to-date service and a relevant service to people. Many people, we use an online service, but there's still a fair proportion of people who still don't have access to online services. A telephony service is a good, simple to use solution which most people are now happy to use. We've had certain ideas in terms of how we thought we should be doing things, very much derived from our own understanding of operations and speaking to people who work within the court service. BT Eckoh, however, had their own ideas, and more often than not, when we actually had that sort of feeling, is their idea the right one or our idea the right one, for the experience that they had from working previously, we found that very often they brought a lot to the equation. If you take into account the development work we've done with BT Eckoh and the work we've had to put in to actually build up those processes and roll them out, the return on the investment is very quick. The programme as a whole is returning on its investment within a year, and certain aspects to it much quicker than that. So absolutely right, from a financial point of view as well as a customer service point of view, it's been a very, very powerful tool to our armoury. It's been very effective. I would say that the key thing to do is to engage with them as a partnership and give them the chance, the opportunities to really get an understanding of what you're trying to do. And that does take time. Very often you start a project like this, you just want to get into it and get going with it. But certainly to spend the time to make sure they understand what you're trying to do, and then at the same time to actually listen to see what's available, you will end up with the right solution which will meet your needs.